I'm trying out my Canon T1i again. It's at a bigger size this time, but it's still 30 frames per second. So this is the memory card I'm using. I didn't know they gave me a reader, so now I have two. Oh well. My tablet, which I couldn't live without. And I got my computer working again. Thank you to Kenny for letting me use this CD. Hooray! I sort of missed it. And this is my work in progress that I cannot do again because I have my computer with a picture for it. Foils. This is my other work in progress that I'm doing in class. I don't want to leave it on the floor. I can't tell if that's in focus or not. I think that is. And here's Maverick, who hogs my bed, don't you? And should be sleeping in there. Loser. And Sarah Palin, who rocks. I don't like the glare on that. Cool. And because District 9 rocks, I have this right next to my door. Yeah, I don't like Transformers, I just like Bumblebee. And they bought a picture of mine, which is in that one. But I'm too lazy to open it and show you. You don't care, do you?